Well, suicide remains the leading cause of death in Tennessee. A study by the Centers for Disease Control shows the suicide rate is rising across the country. News Channel 11's Kristen Gallant spoke with two people from our region who are trying to break the stigma of mental illness.
Justin, according to the Tennessee Suicide Prevention Network, most of those who die by suicide in the state are white males between ages 45 and 54. I spoke with a husband and wife duo who work with the network who now advocate for mental health awareness because for them, it hits close to home. Kitty and Jack Stewart are a husband and wife team who spend their time advocating for others who have mental illness because for them,
we have children back here. We had 7, but unfortunately we only have 5 now. We lost my oldest son to opiates, unfortunately, so that definitely got me involved.
My wife and I have a bipolar daughter. We tried to understand what she was going through when she was having depression and anxieties, and we went into Frontier Health locally here.
With 2 children struggling with their mental health, the two were looking for help for their own family at a health facility, finding a community of people who are trying to do the same.
I saw on the wall a phone number to call, 2 numbers, and they said if you are having stress with family members and need help, this is a number to call. And it was NAMI.
The National Alliance of Mental Illness is co-funded by the State Mental Health Department and Substance Abuse.
It's a support group to help family members understand and cope with and not feel like that mental illness is a terrible thing to be ashamed of. You don't have to hide it, you can talk about it, and there's hope.
The two now travel the state working with NAMI and Tennessee Suicide Prevention Network.
Main goal of both of organizations is to find resources and education, teach people how that they can handle a mental illness.
Working to advocate, educate, and find resources to help understand mental illness.
The major key part of it is to try to find a solution.
The Stewarts work with teams in Greene County and Johnson City helping to figure out the chemical imbalance of the brain that causes mental illness. In the newsroom, Kristen Gallant, News Channel 11.
Kristen, thank you. The Tennessee Suicide Prevention Network says that some signs of mental illness are depression, loss of weight, bullying, and can be brought on by trauma.